The number one question that people always get when they sign up for something is, what's in it for me? What do I get? How does it work? And legit, how fast do you get results? Well, this is what you get as far as your training system. It's a step-by-step process that walks you through. Real estate coaching, when it evolves, is always go do this, go do that with no direction. This training center is going to walk you through step by step, whether you're doing Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, videos, doing an open house that just listed or just sold, creating mindset, creating efficiency, what apps to use, how to use the apps, what button does what, and how to set up everything that you need in your business. This is also a great accountability center to where you can calendar out the things that you want, take the notes that you're wanting to do, track the progress. And it's as simplistic as this, to where we guide you through every process and every video of where you start, where do you begin, how do you get everything going, how do you start with your goals, how does Facebook work, how does Instagram. So as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of videos with many different training categories that walk you through step by step on how to do everything within your business to create success. But that's not it. The other item that you'll get is you get access to a private Facebook group. This Facebook group is with some amazing members that walk you through, help you, give you analytics of things that work for them. Not only that, you've got this files tab that you can hit inside here. And within the files tab, there's many things that you can download for your training, keep on task. The 5x5 rule, how social media works, how to onboard your client, traditional farming and real estate, you name it, it's here. There's no company out there that offers the value that I provide and giving you success. The next step is just believing in yourself, clicking that button, and let's get this party started.